Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is Wigner seed cells. First, to understand who is the discoverers of Wigner seed cells. The Wigner seed cell, named after Huygens Wigner and Friedrich seeds. The combinations of both scientists gave the discovery of Wigner seed cell. Wigner seed cell, also known as primitive cell. P mean primitive cell. What is primitive cell? As the smallest unit of volume of crystals. Volume of crystals. What is crystal? Crystals, anything obtaining by freezing is known as crystals. Mean crystal depend of the many unit of volumes. After consisting of many unit of volumes, this we say crystals. We say crystals. Now our topic is Wigner seed cell. The Wigner seed cell around a lattice point. Around a lattice point. Understand from this. The total all point in a system is lattice, and the repeated point in lattice crystal is known as lattice point. This point is known as lattice point. Is defining as the locus. What is locus? The particular position, point or place is known as a locus of point in space that are closer. In space, space means three dimension, x, y, z. Locus of point in three dimensions, one dimension, two dimension, and also upward is known as third dimensions. Exist in a three dimensions that are closer to that the lattice point. Mean this is a lattice point, but those point of lattice are close of each others. We draw for a primitive cells or a Wigner seed cell. Then to any of the other lattice point, we only close near of the lattice point draw for Wigner seed cell as compared to others. These point others. Okay, understand definitions. Now the method of constructing of Wigner seeds primitive cell. How we construct Wigner seeds cell or primitive cell. Primitive cell also known as unit cell. Okay, understand? Now constructed for a given lattice. This is a given lattice. This is a given lattice. Okay, for a given lattice, take a reference point. Set a reference point. From reference point, we draw other lattice point. Okay, draw line to connect its neighbors. Means draw lines. For example, we line this, and then we draw neighbor point, mean near point. Not point, not we draw this point from this point. We only draw those points that near from this point. This is we take references point. Okay, understand? And draw near of the neighbor of this point from this point. Okay, draw perpendicular of all the previous line, perpendicular bisector. First to draw this for neighboring point, draw line to connect this neighbor point. This is the reference point and connect with the neighboring or near point from this and also from this. Those point near from this point and also this point and also this point. Then draw perpendicular bisectors. After mapping or matching or drawing, then draw perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisectors, first we draw this line and then perpendiculars intersect this line in this way and also this line in this way and also this line in this way, also this line in this way and also this line in this way and also this line match with this line match with this line match with, and after matching and after bisecting and after connecting these lines with each other, we create primitive cell in latex crystals. This is a Wigner's seeds cell, also known as a primitive cell. Understand how we draw Wigner seed cell in crystals? Okay. The smallest area in 2 dimensions and volume in 3 dimensions. We understand 2 dimensions, x and y in 2 dimensions, in 3 dimensions. In 3 dimensions. For example, in this way, y, x, z. In 3 dimensions, enclosed in this way gave the Wigner primitive cells. In 3 dimensions, we connected point of nearly exist from each other. After connecting, we get a Wigner seed cell. We get a Wigner seed cell. Understand? Uses of Wigner seed cells. The study of crystalline material in solid state physics. This is the uses of Wigner seed cell. What is crystalline solid? The solid is a pattern in 3 dimensions, and any solid which has this property. Okay. And also examples of unit cell. We know that what is unit cell. For examples, this is cross, and from this point, from this point, from this point, from this point, from this point. This is an example of unit cell, and unit cell examples of Wigner's seeds cell. Okay, understand? Thanks for watching, student.